Everybody, I'm trying to go live here so that this way I could show you how to replace your desktop, your video cam background without a blue screen or a green screen. I was having a little technical difficulties. This is the first time I'm going live, so I don't know what the audio is like. I'm waiting for people to come on so that this way they could tell me if they could hear me. Right now, as per my computer, everything looks like it is working nominal. Uh, doesn't look like anything's a problem. So, we'll see if if this works out. I'm using XSplit Gamecaster to broadcast this, and I'm using XSplit VCam um, to record the video and change my background without a green screen or a blue screen. I'm going to show you a little bit of what I can do here. I can change up my background to anything I want. I could even make it my website here if I wanted to. So I could change it up to wood. But what it does is what I was doing was I was looking around for a background replacement because it just it's better than showing a wall or showing your office. If you want to have a convenient way of being able to change your background whenever you want to, wherever you are, this is the program for you. um, just checking to see if anybody's on yet. Again, this is the first time I'm ever going live, so I don't know how it's going to work out, but I'm testing the field here. And if it doesn't work out, don't hold it against me. I'm trying something new. And that's the thing I always say with your business or with anything else in your life. You don't know what's going to happen until you try, and then you learn from your mistakes if you have failures. So if this is going to fail, if it doesn't work out, I don't care. I'm going to take it as a learning experience and I'm going to move on from it. But you know the whole the main thing is that at least I tried. And that's what everybody should do if you have your own business or in any event in your life. Just try anything, learn it, do your best. If it doesn't work out, go and do it again, but learn from your mistakes so you could be better. Anyway, so you could see right now in uh, the picture that I'm in here, uh, it shows my website. But if you go to the link that's going to be in the description below, it's gonna take you to this website. It's called Tech Mint, and if you search for XSplit VCam, it's gonna bring you to this site right here. And basically, it's $19.99 for a lifetime subscription to be able to replace your background. It's really easy to use. When I downloaded it, and let me try to get. I'm going to go to um, the actual website. Um, Give me 1 second here to load it up. Uh, oh, that's the wrong one. Like I said, this is the first time I'm going live. Usually I have stuff ready to go, but I was like, if I'm going to go live, I am going to just do it. And we are going to. Okay, so once you buy the software, it's going to give you a little code that you put in once you create an account in XSplit. You're going to put in your details, and it will automatically give you that lifetime subscription. I'm going to go to my account, and it's going to. They have 4 products you could choose from here. You could choose from XSplit Broadcaster. You could choose the XSplit Gamecaster, the XSplit VCam, and the video editor. So basically, it pretty much covers every aspect of video, for YouTube or for gaming. It's mainly designed for gaming. I'm gonna put that out there, but you can use it for anything. As you can see, I'm doing a live web stream, live YouTube broadcast off of it. But like I said, you could just change your background in an instant. I mean, I don't know of any other program that you could do that. That's $20 for a lifetime subscription. Chroma Key is another one that you could use, but it's expensive. Like I said, I looked at a lot of different programs, and this one is for me by far, um, this the best that I've seen. You could also blur the background so that this way, if you don't want it to show too much, you could just kind of blur it out, and you have the degree of how much you want to blur it out. I kind of like this one. It seems like modern, but it works out for if you're making videos for YouTube. And again, if you want to just replace your background so that this way you don't have to get a green screen, or if you don't have to, you know, make find the perfect spot in your house to try to get the best angle. This, you could just line it up. There are a couple, you know, uh, issues, but all in all, I mean, it seems like the best option right now. If I put on my hands, it picks them up, and it doesn't mess up with the background. Now, this was my original right here with the closet in the background. So that's why you see, like, like I said, my computer, I put on a desk where it makes it mobile, but it's still limited, uh, you know, in where I can place it. So that's why when you want to replace your background, it just makes it very convenient if you could just click it, like, and change your background and have it replaced for you while you make a video. I'm trying to see right now if anybody's on there. Just put in the chat if you're having problems hearing me or seeing the video. Anyway, so once you download the products, it's going to pull up, and I'm going to try to get it on right now. It's going to pull up this program. This is the XSplit Vcam program. Now, that's my you could actually change the camera out, or you could adjust the brightness, the controls, everything like that. It's not showing me up on the screen, but you could actually go and add a background that you want. Uh, a YouTube video, a web page, or anything you want. And like I said, I have my website video. I mean, my website on there before, which there it goes. Boom. I mean, how awesome is that? I don't see that in many programs out there. Look, I'm flying through the air. But if you want to take your videos to a different level, if you want to be able to change up your background and you don't have to buy all that expensive equipment, this is an option for you. Again, if you go to the link right below, it's going to take you to the Tech Mint website. And from there, what you can do is just search XSplit. And once you do that, now while you're here at this website, I want you to take a look, because they have so many deals. And I'm not just talking about it because I'm referring you to this website, and of course I get like an affiliate deal with them, but I actually use it, and I purchase software from them, and I really think that's a good value. They have everything from VPN subscriptions to, I mean, learning, coding, uh, just everything. So while you're there, check it out, because you know what? You could learn something new, a new skill that'll help you with your video or securing your computer or something else. Uh, you know, uh, so it's a really nice little website here. And then of course they have their best sellers, uh, and you could just shop by what you want to look for. If you want to look for lifetime subscriptions, I think most likely it's going to be VPNs. Yeah, AdGuard, phone GPS, resume software. But like I said, I mean, reasonably priced for lifetime subscriptions is sounds good to me, especially if you could learn something like how to use Photoshop, or a VPN, which I actually just purchased a VPN as well. If you want to safeguard yourself against, Google recording everything you do, or YouTube or Facebook, using a VPN really helps out to protect your privacy and your family. Not that you're doing anything wrong, but just to prevent them from getting all this information on you and selling it to other people. Um, I'm kind of big on my privacy, and I'm sure a lot of people are as well. So, you could check out VPNs. The one that I purchased is fastest. Oh, let me see here. Fastest VPN, and to me it works beautiful. I could show that I'm in Poland or wherever, and it was funny because I put myself as in Poland, and then I went to Craigslist and it was showing me all the uh, the whatever's being sold in Poland. So it's pretty funny. It actually makes it look like you're there at this moment. So that's what I'm talking about. It hides your location. It hides your browsing history, and it's more secure and harder for people to break into your computer if you go through a VPN. It secures your IP and everything. Just seeing if I really hope that you can hear me. Like I said, this is my first time doing a live video. I hope it's working out. And if it doesn't, I'll try again. But I'm gonna learn from my mistakes and do a better job next time. But you never know until you try something. So I'm just putting it out there that I'm going to try this out, and I hope it's all working. I got a bear coming at me in the woods. But I hope you like this video. I really appreciate you taking a moment to watch it. And I hope you find some good deals on TechMint. And I'll see you in the next video. All right? All right. Have a good one. Talk to you later.